Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money lose value over time? Well, there's a way to actually use inflation to your advantage and build wealth. In this video, we'll show you how to master inflation and create a path towards financial success. So let's dive in. Inflation occurs when the overall prices of goods and services in an economy rise, resulting in a decrease in the purchasing power of money. While this may seem negative at first, it actually presents opportunities for savvy investors. One way to combat the effects of inflation is by investing in assets that outpace inflation. Real estate stocks and precious metals like gold are often considered inflation-resistant investments. By allocating a portion of your portfolio to these assets, you can protect your wealth from the erosive effects of inflation. Another strategy to beat inflation is to increase your income. Look for opportunities to grow your skills, negotiate higher salaries, or even consider starting a side business. By increasing your earning power, you can match or exceed the rate of inflation, allowing your wealth to grow. Diversification is key when it comes to managing inflation. Instead of relying solely on one investment, spread your risk across different asset classes. This way, if one investment underperforms due to inflation, others may offset the losses, preserving your wealth. It's important to note that inflation is not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Different countries and regions experience varying levels of inflation. Stay informed about the inflation rate in your area to make more effective investment decisions. By mastering the concept of inflation, you can turn it into a powerful tool for wealth creation. Remember, invest in inflation-resistant assets, increase your income, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and insights.